Today I'm going to show you how to connect a laptop to a computer or a TV with a standard VGA lead. Here, I'll put a picture of it now. Okay, now that you've seen a picture of it in better quality, I'll get straight to it. Now if you notice, see the shape of it, it's slightly different at the top than it is at the bottom. So you need to make sure, here, look at that, I'll put a picture now. You got to make sure that that is the same way as that. So it needs to go that way. And this should just push in nicely. Now, although they do have these little screws on it, my laptop doesn't have holes for the screws, so I don't need to tighten it up. Now they're always tightened up, and it does have screws anyway. So now that's plugged in, I can get the other end. It's 5 meter, and that's all I could get my hands on quickly and easily. So where is the end? There's the end. So here's the other end, exactly the same. Then we come over here. Crap. We come over here. And as you can see in the side of my TV, it's the same plug as my thing. I'll put a photo now. So then what we do, we get this end, do the same matching up process. So this time it's this way around. So we plug that in like that, and we can screw these up, but I'm not going to. So then, once I turn my TV on, you stand by. See green lights on. Leave that just loading. Right, make sure it's on the VGA/PC's setting. This will probably say no signal. There we go. Right, mine sometimes comes out a bit funny. Yeah, that can be sorted by changing the resolution. So yeah, that's just my screensaver. If I don't know if that will make a difference. Sometimes if I want oh, just give me a minute. I have that set wrong. Right, there we go. Sometimes it doesn't like it. So yeah, I've got this little menu on my laptop. Yeah, I have to press Control Delete. So I'm just changing that so it duplicates it. There we go, you can see it on here. Press Control Delete. And that loads up. I just got the standard HP thing. Just entering my password. I'm just looking for some half decent video editing software. See? Okay, whatever. There's so many things. So yeah. Okay, click on that, might help it on the TV. So anyway, thank you for watching and goodbye.